Welcome. In front of me is an Emporia Smart.5 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. Now to get started you want to pull down your notifications from the top. Swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a power saving mode. So let's see if we can find it. There we go. A battery saver. So right over here, once you see it, press on the toggle, it will bring up this message right here. So turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns off or restricts background activities, some visual effects, and other high power features to extend the battery life. Now, most important thing that might be part of this, but I have no clue, it's not really mentioned right here, would be typically power saving mode will turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. Now, because of this, you wouldn't be receiving updates or messages from apps that require some kind of internet connection. Just to name a few of these apps, so primarily things like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on would be affected by this. Now, there's a chance that phone might be reconnecting every so often, so you might just be getting a delayed notification of some kind of new message from this app or one of these apps, but it also could not be even a problem at all. The device could, by all intents and purposes, could not even implement this kind of power saving mode. So I'm just mentioning this if you experience that your notifications aren't being delivered as they're being sent to you, but after like some kind of delay, power saving mode is usually at fault here. Now anyway, here we're gonna just select turn on to enable it. As you can see, it also turns on dark theme, and that's it. It is now enabled. You can also see that your battery outline turned red to indicate that it is now in power saving mode. And once you're done with this mode, you can find this toggle once more, tap on it again, and this will go back to the normal mode. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.